हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। सो अभी हो रहे हैं रात के 2:30 बज रहे हैं और अर्ली मॉर्निंग बोल सकते हैं। वी आर गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप दैट इज़ पेनुकोंडा हिल्स इन बैंगलोर। सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड शो यू द होल ट्रिप. It's like the place and the views. So here we started the bike journey, and you can see here it was around 3 o'clock where we started off, and this is how exactly it was looking around. This is how actually the road trip looks like. You will be able to see the views around. It was like whole greenery and few of the best places to look after.
हर एक पल एक नया समा देखेंगे निगाहें, जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तो जोगी न चले रंग रच दे सुन तो जरा हमको है ये कहना
So this is the entrance of the hill. It's like it starts from here and it goes till the highest top of the mountain. So the way up to the mountain and the destination was like two torches, and the winding roads were like too amazing to get an adventurous trip for you guys. If you ever went to Nandi Hills, it's like similar vibe you will get here. So we finally reached, and this is how exactly the view looks around. And then we actually have to trek to the top of the mountain to see the views. So here starts our journey. We are doing the trekking to the top, and so yeah, it was like ups and downs there, and then we finally reached to the top. So here we reached, and you can see the scenery, the surroundings. It looks so beautiful. You can see the whole path from where we actually started off. You can see the amazing rays of the sun coming out of the clouds, which gives a really beautiful vibe which you can go with and see. So in the way forward to the trip, we actually got to know that there is a temple here on the mountain as well. So we did visit it there, and we went inside, and this is how exactly it looks like. It's too good to see. So the place contains different viewpoints. It is like at one place you will be able to see the whole greenery. At second place, you will be able to see the whole view with pond and the whole mountain from there. That's how exactly it looks. So then we came downstairs again, and we went to that ancient sacred site where exactly we will be able to see there are the old statues of Hanumanji and the other gods as well. You can see I have just added the video to see that how exactly it looks. So we enjoyed a lot on the trip. So here are the pictures which you can see, which we have clicked there. So yeah, that was it for the vlog. I hope you liked it. If you ever went to Penukonda Hills, just visit the places which I have told you. Yeah, do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.